Hi everyone, I have described in detail about the robotic hair transplant procedure previously. Today in this video, I am taking the opportunity to give a brief overview of the advantages this machine, HARRTS robotic system, offers for a hair transplant patient. So firstly, this machine allows me to control precisely the force with which the extractor extracts, thereby preventing damage at a cellular level to the hair grafts. It also allows me to precisely control the depth and also do a no-touch extraction of the follicle and auto-store it. So this machine has got all the features that allow me to precisely and without damage extract the follicles. This in turn translates into a better quality graft and a better quality result for the patient.